fellow artists to kimikoARTS. Today, we are going to learn how to draw Elsa from Frozen. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
Today we are going to be learning how to draw a simplified version of Elsa from Frozen, one of my favorite characters in that movie. We're going to start with the basic shape of her head. So for her head, we're going to draw an upside down egg shape. And we're going to just draw a line coming down from her body to make sure that everything's in line. And then we're going to add two lines for her neck, and she's going to be looking over to the side, so that's why her neck is going to be a little bit on that side. And we're going to add the basic shape for her upper body, and then the basic shape for her lower body. She's going to have a dress on, so it's going to look like this with two lines coming out, and then a line at the bottom for her skirt. Then she's going to have one arm kind of bent up with her hand, and then one arm kind of coming in front like this. So now that we have the basic shapes, we can start building around those basic shapes to make drawing Elsa a little bit easier. So we're going to start with her eyes. So we're going to have one eye, and then a second eye, we're going to draw the iris inside, and then a big circle and a smaller circle to make the eyes really sparkle. And then on the other side, we're just going to draw a curved line and then two circles to again make her eyes look like they're really sparkling. And you can give her some eyelashes if you like as well. And then you're going to add the eyebrows, above the eye, and then a little pointed nose, and then make a line for where you want her mouth to be. And then you're just going to add two curved lines at the top for her top lip, and then a curved line for her bottom lip. Now once you have that complete, you can add an ear on the side, and then you're going to make a line for the edge of her forehead, and then have her cheek kind of come out of it and then go in, and then you can draw a chin line. So now that you have Elsa's face done, you can start adding her hair, and she's going to have that beautiful braided look, that single braided look that she always wears and wears so well. So I'm just going to draw some curved lines going back, and then curved line going around just to help guide me when I'm drawing the braid. And then I'm going to draw some curved shapes that are going to be those really big pieces of hair in her braid. So now I think her braid is going to come down in front like this. So I'm just going to draw a line there to help guide me. And to get that braided look, you just have to add curved lines and kind of connect them and overlap them like this. Then you're going to add her little ponytail elastic, and then a little bit of hair poking out the bottom. you can go back in and add a little bit of volume or a few more pieces of hair where you think they are necessary. So once you have her hair complete, then you're going to move down to her body. So for her shoulder, we're just going to add a curved line like this, and then a curved line for her front and a curved line for her back. And the front of her dress kind of comes down a little bit, and the front end has that see-through part. And then for her skirt, you can add as much or as little volume as you like by adding lines that are coming down, and then some are curving out and up. And out. Like so. And then you can add her little toes coming out the bottom. And her flowing extra piece of material coming out as well. So now I'm going to move on to her arms. So for her first arm over here, I'm going to use that line as a guide. I'm going to break her hand down into almost like a mitten to make it easier to draw. And then for her other arm, I'm going again to build onto the line that I made as a guide, and I'm going to make a thumb and then her hand down here. So after I have that complete, I just have to add a little bit of snow and snowflakes poofing up from her hand. So there's many different ways you can draw snowflakes, but I'm just going to draw mine with a whole bunch of lines kind of crossing, and then maybe add some circles here and there. So now that I have drawn my Elsa, I'm going to outline all the lines that I want to keep to get that really nice finished look.
Now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines to reveal a magnificent Elsa. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayon, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your Elsa look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it, an outstanding Elsa, born with the power of ice and snow, ready to step out of isolation and bridge the magic of nature and people. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.